Hey friends, I'm Ben.
I'm Angie.
And this is our van Big Ugly. And as some of you know, we use this to tow our camper. And
On our epic trips.
Epic
Sorry,
trips.
I'm getting eaten alive by ants, but I'm trying to stay positive. And it's getting harder and harder because they're eating me alive. Anyway, continue.
So anyway, this is a 99 Chevy Express. It was just a plain Jane work van, completely stripped out. We put seats in it, cut a hole through the window.
Then some other painted it.
Yeah, there's videos on it.
I'll link some if the mood strikes.
Yeah. Anyways, one thing I've always wanted since I bought this van is roof rack up on top.
Yes, same.
They're pretty expensive.
Yeah, we are very active. We love to ride bikes. We love to canoe. We love to do as many outdoor sports as we can afford. Not sports, many outdoor activities. Yeah.
So I've always wanted a roof rack. They're pretty expensive. I've been looking around online looking for a ladder rack for like a pickup truck.
They're
Haven't really had much.
so pricey.
Yeah, when I say looking around online, I mean like Facebook Marketplace. Haven't really had much luck. So I've been looking at how the ladder racks mount to the vans, and it's really just like a clamp system. So I figured I could recreate that. Basically, I took some 4-inch aluminum C-channel and I cut a little notch out of it. And then I made these pieces. This is stainless steel, this is aluminum, nothing will rust. These are gonna sit in the drip edge like that. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. This piece is gonna wrap around the drip edge and then bolt onto it. So that's the plan. I didn't want to pre-drill the holes for these bolts into these C-channel pieces until I got them on there, so I can really make sure they're gonna clamp down tight. And so these are gonna be bolted onto the drip edge, and then I'm just gonna bolt wood between these pieces. I've cut up a lot of pallets. Like I said, I'm a metal fabricator, so I get really long pallets when I order metal.
We've used them for everything.
So I've got these nice big heavy planks, and these are oak. So they're heavy, and I think they're gonna do a great job. So that's my plan. I'm gonna let Angie kind of record me for a little while. I'm probably gonna set the GoPro up on time lapse, and I'm just going to see what I can come up with. We tried to do this yesterday.
Yes.
It rained on us, and so we didn't get anywhere.
This video is supposed to go up tomorrow, and the problem is we are at the mercy of Florida weather, and Florida weather does not give a bleep.
I'm gonna set the GoPro up. Angie's gonna record me,
Boom.
and she's gonna look pretty. So here's what I've done. I put the clamp up there tight, and I marked where my holes are gonna be, and I marked them up on top part of the hole, so that when I drill it and I bolt it down, it's gonna bolt it up nice and tight. I don't know if I told you, but I'm doing 3 down each side, so once I connect them all, it'll be nice and strong. Really impressed with how tight these clamps are fitting once I get everything bolted down. And once I get I don't know if I said this earlier, but the plan is to bolt a piece of wood between here and the one on the opposite side. So once I get those bolted down, everything's going to be nice and tight. Alright, so I got all of the C-channel pieces bolted up to the drip edge, and I'm going to use a speed square and a ratchet strap. I got these big chunky logs, but I don't know how long to cut them. So what I've done is I've used a ratchet strap to pull those until The speed square sits nice and square in the corners. And now I can measure in between them for how long I need to cut this piece of wood. To attach the wood,
Yeah?
I got these lag bolts.
Cool. Can I have a close-up?
Here is what we got so far.
We're taking a risk right now.
Yeah, it's raining and our camera's getting wet. It's actually really solid. I was up there bouncing around on it, and it was great. Angie, what are your thoughts?
I think it's going to work great for all of our rack needs.
I knew I wanted it to be up off the roof, but instead of measuring everything really nicely, I just went down 6 inches off of here, which these are 12 inches tall, drilled 2 holes, and then measured down 5 inches for the top of this. So I've got 2 lag bolts in each side, and yeah, I just gotta do 2 more of these, and eventually I want to put planks across the length here, and I got some pieces I can put along here, but you guys will see that in a minute. Good morning, friends. It's the next day, obviously. I got rained out last night. I gotta get this wrapped up this morning quickly because this video is supposed to go live today, and obviously I haven't finished making it, which means Angie hasn't started editing it. But this is where I've gotten. I got those 2 bars mounted. I started pre-drilling the holes in that. I just got to pre-drill the holes here and get that last bar mounted, and then I've got 1 more rail. I want to tie all 3 of these together. I'm going to put a rail across here, standing upright along all 3 of them. So I gotta get after it. The roof has a little bit of an arc to it, so they can't be straight, but I think I'll be able to bolt it in the middle and then use a clamp and draw it down to where it's nice and straight. All right, friends, there you have it. I went ahead and threw the canoe up there just for a visual reference. Angie, what are your thoughts?
I love it so much. It's so cute.
Like I said before, I still want to put planks across there, but with the way lumber prices are, I think I'm gonna hold off. They're not really necessary, but I think it'll help with the aesthetics, and if I need to put just random stuff up there, it'll be better. And also, I think if I put planks up there, the sun will hit the planks instead of the top of the van, and theoretically the van will be a little bit less hot.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and why was I doing this? I also want you to like it. Like, subscribe.
Tell all your friends.
Share with a friend or 5.
Yeah, if you have any tips as to where I can get some more affordable lumber than just like Home Depot or Lowe's, let me know, because I'd like to get some planks.
And I think I am going to paint it eventually.
Yeah, we'd like to paint it black.
Just for the aesthetic, nothing else. But
Paint it black, maybe stain some of these pieces of wood. But I think it looks pretty good for what it is.
it does.
And my total investment was like $5.
Woo! So we're going to wrap it up. The cicadas are taking over. It's the book of Exodus over here.
Goodbye, y'all. I think you're supposed to say the swear word and then you're done.
Oh, dang it. I'm new here. Okay. We've only been at this a year.
Alright.
No! Stop!
Look how pretty she is. Alright. That's the shot. But you got it in
No, I got it, babe.
Uh-oh. What did I do? I pushed a button, but I think we're alright.